Hi, so this is part 4 that I was telling you about. So, first you need to get prepared. So, what you want to do is have your axe. So, start mining some wood. So, you need to use this wood for your furnace. So once you have enough, you can see I collected an apple. Well, you can't see because you can't see my bar. So there's an apple over there, see? So you collect food like that, but it's no use to eat it because it's unpeaceful. So if you do, what you want to do out of that wood, right click it and you'll see that it's 3. What you want to do, get 14 wood, make H6, so it makes 9. So then go up the stairs to the furnace. Go in the furnace, so with the oak wood, go shift, left click. Same with the oak wood plank. So once you do, you will see it's starting to burn. And I'll show you what happens once it's finished. So once the arrow has finished lighting up to be white, you will get something called charcoal. And that is the use of a torch. I will show you how it works. So you get 4 torches. So that's how the torches work. So once you've got enough torches to do it, what you want to do next is get the sticks up there, get the charcoal up there, and get as enough sticks as you can. So what you want to do next is with the extra wooden planks you have, what I would recommend is get them. Oops. And go decide where you want to start mining. I would say do it where 4 places, or maybe just one more way. So like here, I'll say it's good. But here is even better. So now you can see why there's absolutely no reason why someone would take this. It's basically unvaluable. So once you do, you better go check where it has ended up. So once you have, start mining away what you don't need. So I'll say mine away all the dirt that's in there except your footstep dirt. So once you have, you want to keep digging down until you've hit the exact end. So what you want to do after that is start mining out all the stone that you don't need up here. It'll make it a better chance of finding it. Well, what I mean by finding it is finding what you need to use. Well, iron and that is what I mean. So under the here, you can see there's a lot of gap and value. So it would be very easy to find the coal most likely. But if you keep digging down far enough, you will find iron. So for the iron, you will need a stone pickaxe, which we don't have yet. Well, if you do, that's good for you. But I don't have it yet, so it's going to make it harder for me. So really, what you want to do now, every time you go down, just mine it out. Until you find iron coal, basically. So if you want to, you can make these little sections where they mine out and go off. So that's what I'm going to do here. So once your pickaxe is break, I'll suggest going to build one of the stone pickaxes. Well, what I would say is build as much as you can, so 3. Okay. So once you've got your stone pickaxes, go back down. So where you started to mine off, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you can mine off in this way. See, now we are finding coal. So once you mined out all this black stuff, it will be fine to carry on and travel through these ways. So here I got a jackpot of coal, because you can see there's heaps. And I'll show you what a jackpot of coal means. Well, I will explain this bit to you now. It's called XP. It gives you enchantments for your swords, pickaxes, and all that. So now you can see I mined out all that, and I got 22 coal. So you can keep doing that until you're finished. So if you don't want to do it, just keep digging down until you hit bedrock. Bedrock's this blackish grey thing. If you want to, you can start building out of wooden planks, but I wouldn't suggest that would be so great. So you can see now it's getting pretty far up. So once you get about this high and you go straight down the middle, you will take 4 hearts. So if you do that again and again, so look, the higher it is, the more damage it does. See how that only did 2? Well, I'm going to show you what happens if you fall directly in the middle. So that took 4. So if I get it right this time, you'll probably take 5 damage. Well, I will. Well, it doesn't really matter anymore. So let's just get on with the part of this video. So you can see what the torch does. It lights up the place that you're in. It depends on where you place it as well. So if you want to stop mining and go get something to eat while you still watch this video and play, well, you can. Because I will just keep mining down. Because that's what I'm like. I mine. So what we're going to do, once you get bored of going and doing that, just go back up to your house. If you don't fall. And if you do, it'll be a good opportunity to not find stuff and not be mining. But if you go down this deep and you start digging out these 2 walls, you'll find there's iron just around them. So that's basically the easiest way to find iron. So once you found the iron, this is when the coal comes in handy. So once you got all the iron that you need, well, that's there. Just go back up to your house and I'll simply show you what I mean. But you know how last episode I was showing you like how to build the furnace and stuff and how to use it? So that's basically what you do here. I'll show you what the iron goes into once it's done, basically. It goes into an iron ingot. So you can see I've got that much cobblestone, that much dirt. What do you think I should do with it? Put it in my chest. So that's what I'm going to do. Wrong one. So what you want to do, you would just want to do what you should have done way ages ago. I mean, ages ago. Chuck the dirt and chuck the wood in. And once that light's gone out up there, place these down. Oh, I'll show you something once this stuff is done. So once you got the 4 ingots, sorry about that. Okay. I'll just stop the video